Hi friends, welcome to Technical Jobs Guru. Friends, in this video, today we are going to see a job opportunity from Park. So here, Baba Atomic Research Center is recruiting for the scientific officers for the year of 2021. So in this video, we are going to see in detail. So here it is recruiting through two different processes. As if you have written a GATE exam, so you have a valid GATE scorecard, so you can apply for this job. Otherwise, you don't have any gate valid scorecard, so you can write the exam and you are also eligible for this. So we have two opportunities through gate and without gate also. So we have different discipline branches students can apply for this job. We will discuss in detail in this video. Before going to see in this in detail, so if you are watching this video for the first time in this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and like the video and share with your friends. So here the application start date is from 12th of July and end date is on the 9th of August, and online examination slot booking is for 20th to 25th of August 2021. Online examination is from 5th to 12th of September 2021. And coming to age limit, we have for general category we have 26 years, and OBC we have 29 years, and ST/SC and 31 years. So age is as per the age relaxation is as per the government rules. Application fees here for unreserved category and OBC we have 500 rupees. For ST/SC and PWD female candidates have no application fees here mentioned. Application payment mode is on online only. So we have different post codes with the discipline. So different category is mentioned here from 21 to we have 21 to 45. So post code from 21 to here 45. So for discipline mechanical, chemical, metallurgy, electrical, electronics and computer science, instrumentation, civil and nuclear engineering. So we know all these branches, but some of us mostly don't know this reactor in first reactor technology in first reactor technology E, quality assurance and quality control, then QA/QC here, physics, chemistry, bioscience. So which branch is eligible for this discipline? So we will see in detail in below slides as mentioned here. So for the discipline of the code 21 to 29, so you mentioned from here mechanical to 29th but nuclear engineering. So for this branch for this discipline, so it should require BE BTech or BSc engineering or 5 years of integrated mechanic MTech with a minimum of 60% of aggregate marks in 9 or in for the 9 engineering disciplines of for 21 to 29. These 9 disciplines for 21 to 29, they mentioned as BE BTech and PSC engineering. You should have this one, and you should have a gate valid score of 2020 or 2021. So you should require for this. Okay, for the fast reactor technology for code of M30, so it should be required for BE BTech BSc with or 5 years integrated course in MTech in mechanical engineering or chemical engineering. Okay, with 60% of aggregate marks. And for the fast reactor technology E, the code is 31. So it's for this BE BTech BS engineering are 5 years integrated MTech in electrical and electronics engineering with 60% of marks. For quality assurance and quality control, code 32 it required with metallurgical engineering or mechanical engineering with 60% of marks. For the physics discipline, so MSc in physics and applied physics with physics or mathematics at BSc or at subsidiary. So with 60% of marks in this physics MSc or 5 years integrated MSc course, you should require for this. And so for this discipline code of 41 physics discipline, we need a postgraduate. If you are doing any postgraduate opting to declare on the base of the gate score, so you should require valid gate score with the score in physics of 2021 and 2020 batch of gate. So and coming to the chemistry discipline, it is also same. So MSc in chemistry or with physics up to BSc at a subsidiary and then level in case of 5 years integrated course MSc mathematics standard 12 at BSc. Okay, with 60% of marks it required in MSc. So applicant opting to consider in the base of the gate score, they should have a valid gate score of 2020 and 2021 batch. So bioscience and discipline for code of 43. So MSc in agriculture, biochemistry, then microbiology, molecular biology, biotechnology, genetics, botany, zoology, plant science, plant breeding. In mentioned all these branches, so you should have minimum 60% of marks, so you can apply for this, or you must have a valid gate score, you can apply for this. For radiological safety and environment science, so you should require a mtech or normal btech bc or 5 years in integrated mtech course in nuclear engineering or nuclear technology, nuclear science and technology with 60% of marks, or a valid gate score also required for this. No, sorry, for there is no gate for this branch, so all the science postgraduate student with msc must require 60% marks along with the BSc. So for geology also, they mentioned here MTech in geology or MSc in geology with 50% of marks as asked. So BARC OCS and DGEF 2021 selection process is on. So on the basis of the online examination, so the online examination is conducted on the September 2021. So for the five sciences discipline as mentioned above, we have 40 cities to spread across the India. We have 40 cities to for conducting the examination center. So there is no travel allowance paid by the company. So you have to pay yourself. Company who register for the online examination will allocate to you should have to choose 3 examination cities for your online examination. So you have to book your slot and you have to write your examination on the basis of the gate score. You should have a valid gate score for batch of 2020 and 21. So you have to upload that, and according to your gate score they will call for you and for the interviews. So selection interview will be shortlisted candidates have to go except those who are uh, centers are from Mumbai and Hyderabad. So we have to go to for interview. We have to go both these cities. So if you are going to this out of station, so they are going to pay for us for third AC the train ticket. You can get which is the shortest route they are providing for us. We can move through this. So if you want to see the detailed notification, you can click here. So you will get the detailed notification of this bar. So go here and then download the notification advertisement. Down in downloads, you will find advertisement. So you can find the detailed notification here. You can read all these things. You can read here. So this is the notification, friends. So if you are interested in this job and if you are eligible for this job or scientific officer, so you can apply for this. Okay friends, this is the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and like the video and share with your friends. Okay, thank you friends.